Okay, we got a Maserati Ghibli. What we end up doing is installing a GPS on it. For anybody who has a rental company service that has a bunch of these exotic vehicles, and then when you rent them out and you want to know where the rentals are at any time, we have nice GPSs that you can give us a call. Basically, you can go to your garage and you can see the list of cars. It's really nice. To track it, you hit this little guy down here and then you hit the left. For security reasons, I'm not going to show the map, but it's quick. It tells you exactly where the vehicle is. You can change in satellite image and you can go to the regular map, kitty drawing. Yeah, this is a Maserati, you know, that everything is concealed. The GPS is hardwired. Nothing is hooked up to the diagnosed plug that anybody can unplug it and chuck it in the garbage. It is hardwired, and we hide it really, really well, so nobody will ever know that there's a GPS in here. Anybody who's in the market, even for your own personal car, or if you have exotic vehicles that you want to, you want to go ahead and track them to make sure that nobody's taking off with your exotics when you rent them out. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Give us a call. We do have mobile service, and we thank you for watching this video.